Rape. Katal ko kya? Hayada. Daily no khana usan. Every day at least kaisa rape case le changkhana khana. But recently Tripura kaitham rape cases in a row. No jato no shaima khana. News rogo no bitongna khana kana. Sana thanga angkai Tripura small state. Hyper setabuk rape cases asa reason tamo once huna nangosam rape tabung shimiya jefrun shimi sai feka afrun khoroksano shamatung you can't change but we can change what wrong is happening around us. At least we should give it a try. Sana thang ke to asike ko kabang shalsa baisha se sabaigla. But it's a short or no. Jeffrey Chung rape case in khanao. Aro kaitham topic tong. First anka victim, je rape khlaizang nai. Second anka the accused or the culprit Jerip Kleinai or Kleinai Rock. Third anka public, the society Chen. I think the third one plays the biggest role. Ang puila na shana masongo rape case of victim ne kuno chaya kare. Rape khlaizang nahi kuno chaya kare rape case because rape ni kuno criteria kare. It has nothing to do with nin color, what profession are you in, nang bo race, bo caste, bo religion na follow khai, tam kan, tam chum, tam koksa, bo hasteo tong. It has nothing to do with it. The sole and only reason rape case is the culprit's mind. The rapist ne wan shukmo. Rape ne one and only sole reason ang khabi ne wan shukmo. The mentality of the rapist. And it doesn't go for any age, size, place, religion, caste or anything. Jeffrey rape angai thango changwan sungna nango. Rape khlaizang nai bo first the physical trauma te malayo then the mental trauma am pore society go bona a place so beroi ro bona place so asugre ro shana thangang ke jejaga bo judge khaizago so I think oro rape angai si thangka hangke jengte kun khlaime it's already done Chiniya ko kun kare je chang bona kifili a state otlang thang mane je jaga bo normal feel khayana but at least we can try being a human. I think it's right to do what is right for a human at least chingamo to khlaiman bile but recently angno with mani what I have seen and heard it's shocking chin borok rape chin borok buni borok alka jagan borok khani kuno kari rape khlaizaka je rape khlaizang nai tongo je rape khlaika borok tongo but a jaga chini kok shathai chini wan sukmong bahai amobong no by effect khayo especially je rape khlaizang nai no rape ma pore first tamoba first angka we have to look into their health care first jibri rape khlaizang nai chang bona first health wise nai ruwai nai kolai jinok ne borok help khaina nango bono so that bo health wise recover khai thang first bo health wise recover khai kang ke se nang bono mentally recover khai manani family ne support it's so important am porichin society ne support that is also important Chingtini shenowi tongo rape cases count khaizaka 3 cases sangai thangka sab saimante bo kabang cases tong je registered ya je borok chana bagi nokori faime bas kang reason tamo bachang we are the reason because we don't blame the culprit, we blame the victim. And actually the third point, society ni chini role no ang focus khaina ma sungte bo, because it's hard to see boro khorok sa reap khlai pai ja gai boi bono bini mental trauma te bahai ke recover khaine help khaya woi te bo se trauma ro botangi thangka bothang yakeng khamo bom ti di kan yakeng khamo bo om te khai thangi pai ma bagi no tini am te kha. So what would you say jefro 3 months ni charai rape khlai khip jago? What will you say jefro 7 years ni charai rape khlai khip jago? What will you say when a 65-year-old lady is raped? Orani ni ri chumma kanma nang bor thang bufru thang shabo bai thang tangi thang matter khaya. It has nothing to do with whom, what, where. The only question here is why. Tangi rape khlai jang nai shana thangit nang chang ama chala rak bos haimanu bare rak bos haimanu chang kabang jaga no gunang nang lama te himi thang kang ka hordi bodo chala rak himi thang tongu berayo, and it's okay. Nang chala rong no lama shuti ma shedin nung nai, and I think that's totally okay with the society, because bong no ke question khaya tangi because borok chala rak. Imagine the same bare rak bai bohordi bodo judi thangai himi tongkha kun jaga lama borok kare. I know precaution nana nangu amna changna firang jago. Then what would you say je keso nijin nogono rape khlai khip jago? Tam precaution nana ya barera je jaga borok nijini kabang news chingno wi tongu. Recently Bishal Godo Jeng Mani was raped by her own father. Kabang jaga relative rape khai khib, kabang jaga friend khayo, kabang jaga boyfriend khayo, kabang jaga husband bo khayo rape. What will you talk about that? Kok shaka ke kok sabaya main kok khamano but ang kasha kok no sana mo sungo rape ang mani uklogo. The sole and only reason is the mentality. Je rapist ni wanshug mo or a victim ni wanshug mong rikan mong chum mong bo color bo profession kun matter khaya. Rapist ni wanshug mong shimi se matter khayo bin wanshug mong shitra ang mabagi simino rape ango te kono reason kari rape ang mani. And what as a society jeng tamo klaiman we have to support chinis hamong kaisa no jeng as a society abarino support khaina ni, so that next time ke bu victim mang khake nogo kiri jage lachi jage I ano bahai ke no sawan hane asugita tongthang. Don't let that happen. Je ngi thanga chenga mon ki philir tui me at least je bas kango tamo phai tong tamo ngi man amono to salaiman ble ang tini noro bai asig no kok shalai na mo sungu te kaise ko bang sana mo sungu last among kha. I think it's high time that we have to teach the boys, because we're done teaching women about precaution, dress, profession, timing and everything. I think ching forang mawa no chayang na, and that is the reason it's still happening. We don't have to teach girls, we have to teach the boys. Hambai.